Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of software. What computer software is, the different types available, their essential roles in our daily lives, and how they seamlessly interact with hardware. In an age where technology is omnipresent, understanding software is vital for navigating our tech-driven world, whether you're a casual user or an aspiring developer. There are four different types of software available: system software, application software, development software, and middleware. Let's break it down into the four main categories. First, we have system software, which includes operating systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux. These serve as the backbone of our computers, managing hardware resources and providing us with a platform to run applications. Next, there is application software. Think of tools like Microsoft Office for productivity, Adobe Suite for creatives, and multitude of games designed for entertainment. Then we have development software, which encompasses everything from integrated development environments like Visual Studio to code editors, pivotal for writing and debugging code. And lastly, we can't forget middleware, the unsung hero that connects different applications, allowing for smooth communication between them. Software is all around us. There are many areas of usage that computer software. In education, platforms like Google Classroom facilitate learning. In business, tools like Slack enhance communication. And in gaming, consoles bring friends together for epic adventures. Industries rely heavily on software as well. Healthcare systems manage patient records. Finance software helps track investments. And entertainment streaming services like Netflix deliver our favorite shows. There are also emerging trends such as artificial intelligence and machine learning. They are revolutionizing our world, paving the way for intelligent applications that can learn and adapt. Now let's discuss how software communicates with hardware. This interaction is facilitated through drivers, allowing the operating system to control devices like printers, and through APIs that enable applications to request services from the system. The boot process is crucial, where the operating system initializes hardware and loads system configurations. Each time you print a document or enjoy audio playback, that's the result of a well-orchestrated communication between software and hardware. To wrap up, we've explored the diverse types of software, the critical functions in our lives, and their dynamic interaction with hardware. Understanding these concepts can empower you in your tech journey, whether you're troubleshooting a problem, selecting the right software for a project, or even considering a career in technical industry. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more technical insights. We'd like to hear about your experiences with different software types in the comments below. Join the conversation. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next videos.